CyberBrainer is an online training platform designed to help individuals and teams learn the latest technologies and become certified professionals, producing a comprehensive learning experience.
Now let's go back to the action here. Maintain collection. So if you are in a process of protecting the money from the client, okay, they are giving different dates. Example excuses, whatever it is. You can put a different collection date here. And let's say payment amount promised by the client is 150. Collection code would be, let's say, all collection codes. Second notice, whatever it is. And it's done. It will show in collection here. Okay. Now let's go back and put the invoice. Maintain collection. It okay. Let's see the action. I don't want to change it. It does got triggered by mistake. So it's canceling this process once again. Come on. It will refresh the page. Okay. Then there was an option called Maintain the Letter Exclusion. So I told you that the letter is nothing but like sending a warning or legal notice to the client that you know. But if you want to exclude this particular customer for all invoice from that, you can do so. So this invoice will not show up in your. That I'll show you later on. Now the last option. We should think of others. I'll show you in a minute. This one is a print customer. If you want to print this customer noise and send it to the customer, you can do so. So this is what is printed, and then, once you keep on this email customer, it will email the noise on the primary letters of the customer. So this is a standard format designed by a lot of it, but this is not how original invoice customer looks like. Because we would be doing a lot of customization, and that is done by the integration guys or the people who know a tool called Workday Video. So that's a designing tool, which you use to design all these layouts and PDFs, and that's what you send to the client. It's very colorful, more informative. A lot of other information. So this is a pretty standard, straightforward layout, but that's not what we use. This just to show you how it looks like when you send it to the client. But in reality, in the world, more colorful design, better way, and have more information. And if you go back, if suppose you want to read this PDF copy again, it's very easy. Go to your customer voice, and there will be a section called Printing Runs, and there will be always there for you to read.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.